What are the best free task management tools for individuals?
Boosting productivity doesn't have to cost a thing. If you're looking to organize your to-do lists and daily tasks, there are several top-rated free task management tools built just for individuals. In this video, we'll answer your most common questions about these apps, their features, and how they can help you stay on track.
Which free task management apps are most popular?
Todoist, Microsoft To Do, and Google Tasks consistently rank among the most popular free choices. They're easy to use, available across devices, and offer essential features for tracking, organizing, and scheduling personal tasks, making them favorites for boosting productivity at no cost.
How does Todoist help you stay organized?
Todoist lets you create tasks, set due dates, and organize projects with drag-and-drop simplicity. Its labels, priorities, and recurring reminders help you manage even complex personal schedules. The free version gives you robust organization tools without clutter or ads, making task management fast and straightforward.
Why choose Microsoft To Do?
Microsoft To Do is seamlessly integrated with Outlook and other Microsoft services. Its simple interface allows you to create multiple lists, set reminders, and attach notes. Features like My Day help you focus on what's important, and everything syncs across devices for easy access.
Is Google Tasks good for personal use?
Google Tasks excels at simplicity and integration. You can quickly add tasks directly from Gmail or Google Calendar, set due dates, and organize subtasks. It's ideal for individuals who already use Google Apps and want a lightweight, effective way to manage personal to-dos.
Are there other free tools worth considering?
Trello and Notion are also popular for flexible task management. Trello uses customizable boards and cards, perfect for visually tracking progress. Notion offers pages, databases, and templates to organize tasks with more detail. Both have generous free versions suited to individual users.
How do you pick the right tool?
Consider your workflow and style. If you prefer simplicity, Google Tasks or Microsoft To Do may be ideal. For more customization, Todoist or Trello could fit better. Try a few to see which interface and features best match your needs for managing daily tasks.